class 11 we are having the second topic of concentration, that is it is molarity. It is not molarity, it is molarity. What the symbol? Small m. Clear? And here the formula for the molarity, that is small m. First formula, that is mole of solute divided by weight of solvent in 1 kilogram. Okay, so this is the difference between the molarity and molarity. Is that clear? Now formula clear, we have write in this with the symbol form, abbreviation form, N2 upon W1 in kilogram. Is that clear? Now for the weight is given in gram, then multiplied by 1000, and if the weight is given of the solute W2 upon molecular mass, that is M2, this is for mole of solute. Clear? So this is the third formula. First formula very simple, mole of solute given, weight of solvent given in kilogram, use this first formula. Clear? Okay. Second, that is weight is given of a solute and W1, that is weight of the solvent, is in gram, use this last formula. Okay, so this is the formula, and how you have the definition. Clear? By the first formula you have know the definition, that is mole of solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent. Listen carefully, the mole of solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent is known as molarity. It is also known as molar concentration if it is present 1 mole per kilogram. Is that clear? Okay, now we have to do the question. Okay, find out molarity if (0.53 gram of sodium carbonate dissolvent (500 gram of water). 500 gram of water. Okay, this is a very simple question. To find out the molarity, if 0.5 gram of sodium carbonate, that sodium carbonate is a solute, and be careful, water is a solvent, water is not a solution. Why? Because the solution having two parts. First part is solute and second part is solvent. And what the solvent in which the solute dissolve? Clear? Okay, is known as what? A solvent, and solute present in the less amount. Okay, clear? So here what is the solute? Is dissolved sodium carbonate, so it is a solute, and it is a 500 gram of water. Suppose that it is not given in gram, it is given in milliliter, so we have used the formula. For suppose that it is given in milliliter. Okay, so it is given in milliliter, so how we have calculate the mass of the solvent? Clear? Here the we know that the solute is what? A sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. The weight is given W2, it is 0.53 gram. Clear? What the molecular mass? M2, it is 106. Okay, previous question we have to, and we calculate the molecular mass, it is 106. Clear? But what the challenge? The challenge is here, it is the solvent. The solvent is given in, okay, V1. It is 500 milliliter. It is not in gram. The water is the solvent here. Okay, so we use the simple formula of density. The density equals to what? Density is equals to the weight of the substance and divided by its value. So how? When we making cross multiply, what you get? That is the weight of the substance density into its value. And for the density of water, it is what? It is 1 gram per milliliter. Everybody knows this. Clear? If you not know, then you have to follow this. Okay, so we have calculated the density is given 1 gram per milliliter. What the value of water is given in the question? It is 500 milliliter. Clear? Now milliliter cancel, only gram is here. So what the value of W1? So W1 equals to 500 gram. Okay, so suppose that the solvent is given in milliliter, so definitely there is a density will be given. Okay, any hint where the density is given, you use simply this formula and can convert this value into the gram. Now we have converted this, we have know how to convert this. Clear? And now we have simply apply the formula. Simply apply the formula of molarity. Clear? What the formula of molarity? That is W2 upon M2. Okay, W1 in gram in 1000. Now put all the values. It is 0.053 multiplied by 1000. Now divided by molecular mass. It is 106. Now W1 it is in milliliter, but we have convert into the gram. Now we have calculate, that is 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10. We have removed decimal here. Okay, decimal it is 0.53. So two decimal place here. Now it is 100 now here, and now it is 53 1 the 53, 53 2 the 106. Now we have cancelled 2 from 2. Only 1 by 100 remain here. 1 by 100. 1 by 100, that means 0.01 mole per kilogram. Mole Kelvin inverse. Is that clear? So what the molarity of this solution? The molarity of this solution is 0.01. That means 0.01 mole of sodium carbonate representing 1 kilogram of water. This is the simple question how to have solved the problem of मोलारिटी. ओके, मोलारिटी की क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए आपको देखना है क्या कि सल्यूट क्या है. सल्यूट का मॉलिक्यूलर मास चाहिए होगा, वेट गिवन होगा. फिर वॉल्यूम अगर मिलीलीटर में दे रखा है किसका, कोई भी सॉल्वेंट, मैंने वाटर लिया, हो सकता है इथाइल अल्कोहल ले ले, ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट ले ले, ईथर ले ले, एसीटोन ले सकते हैं, कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. तो उसकी डेंसिटी जरूर दी होगी. तो डेंसिटी गिवन होगी तो हम डेंसिटी का फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. डेंसिटी बराबर वेट अपॉन वॉल्यूम. तो वेट बराबर क्या होगा, डेंसिटी इनटू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. वहां से हम वेट निकाल के लाएंगे. फिर फॉर्मूले में वैल्यू पुट करके सॉल्व करके उसकी हम मोलारिटी कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे. ओके, तो डिफरेंस आप समझिए. डिफरेंस इतना है कि वहां पे वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन होता है और यहाँ वेट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट होता है. बहुत ही बेसिक सा डिफरेंस है, बट वी शुड हैव अंडरस्टैंड टू सॉल्व आवर प्रॉब्लम. थैंक यू. आई होप दैट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस.